Hello everyone, welcome to StudyED. Today I will going to discuss about another part of the top 100 biology question answer for RRB NTPC exam. So let's start the today's sections. Today's first question: the study of tree is called as dash. Answer is the dendrology. Next question: who proposed the theory of natural selections? Answer is the Charles Robert Darwin. Next question: turpentine oil is obtained from which tree? Answer is the pine. Next question: uppermost layer of skin is called dash. Answer is the epidermis, and also the lowermost layer of the skin is called subcutaneous layer. Next question: which is the only element found in chlorophyll? Answer is the magnesium, and magnesium is 12 group element according to modern periodic table, and magnesium's atomic number is 12. Next question: which component in tobacco makes it harmful for human consumption? Answer is nicotine. Next question: which component of the cell is called its kitchen room? Answer is the chloroplast. And discuss about the chloroplast. Chloroplast is two membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane, and outer membrane and inner membrane interlocated intermembrane space. And three factors are in chloroplast, that is thylakoid, stroma and grana. Thylakoids are stack of the dish-like structures, and grana, stack of the each thylakoid is called as grana, and next is stroma. Jelly-like matrix is called as stroma in chloroplast. Next question: what is the known as, or which is known as the suicidal bag of the cell? Answer is the lysosome, because lysosome means phagocytic in nature. Next question: what is the systolic and diastolic pressure in a healthy man? Answer is 120 mm per 80 mm, and this figure also age group between this. What is this difference of the age group in blood pressure? Next question: dermatology is the study of dash. Answer is the human skin. Next question: which chemical is popularly used in rat poison? Answer is the phosphorus. Next question: what is the dental formula of man? Answer is 2123 per 2123, which means 2 is refers to 2 incisor teeth, 1 refers to 1 molar teeth, 2 refers to 2 premolar teeth, and last 3 is refers to 3 molar teeth. These teeth are located in a half side of any jaw. Next question: what is the name of the first clone sheep? Answer is Dolly sheep. Next question: dash is the normal cholesterol level in human blood? Answer is 120 to 12 milligram per deciliter. DL stands for deciliter, and this figure is located in figure shows the blood cholesterol. Next question: a dash is the smallest structural and functional unit of nervous system? Answer is a neuron. And also about this neuron, that is also know about axon. What is axon and what is dendron? Axon is a are long cable-like projection that carry the message along the length of the cell, and dendron are the small branch-like projections that are connection with the neurons. Next question: 90% of water lost during transpiration. It's true or false? Answer is true. Next question: which enzyme is present in all membranes of the animal kingdom except protozoa? Answer is amylase, and this figure shows the amylase structures, very complex structures. Next question: Zika virus is carried by dash mosquito? Answer is Aedes mosquito. These are the figures. This figure shows Aedes mosquito. Next question: tomato contains which acid? Answer is oxalic acid. Next question. Which animal respires without having blood in them? Answer is Hydra. Phylum of Hydra is Coelenterata. Next question. Which cell acting as phagocytes are there present in the liver? Answer is Kupffer cell. Which cell? Kupffer cell. Next question. Which cell organs functions as the powerhouse of the living cell? Answer is mitochondria. And also the currency of the cell is called as ATP. ATP is adenosine triphosphate. ADP is adenosine diphosphate. Next question. The bite of a mad dog causes which disease? Answer is hydrophobia. Next question. Which disease is known as silent killer? Answer is high blood pressure. And blood pressures we know that diastolic and systolic. Systolic to diastolic is 120 mm per 80 mm. Next question. Human saliva contains the enzyme known as ptyalin. That's all. These are the questions, 25 questions. So these 25 questions PDF is available in description box, so you can download it. Thank you.